guys, ZC Gamer here. Obviously, I'm playing Minecraft. This is episode 6. Can you believe I have got 30 subs so quickly? I know I could do it. The next goal is 50. I got fans from the Philippines, USA, Vietnam. Download this app, YouTube Studio. It shows you how much views you have, your comments, who like your videos, what country they're from. Use it for the right reasons. Because if anybody gives you sweet talk in the comments, disable the comments. So let's get on with the video. As a matter of fact, I should start new. ZC Gamer Survival. Let's go. First of all, I have to get equipment. So I don't want to bore you guys out. So check you when I get the equipment. So I got an axe to get wood. Now I only have 4, so I'm gonna get like 30. As you can see, that's 31. That's how much subscribers I have. Hopefully 33, because I just got 33. So now I'm gonna be looking for a cave to mine to get some iron, apple, and get some gold. Made some golden apples, enchant those up in here. I'm thinking about doing a Q&A. If you guys could give me good questions, not like do this, do that, like slap somebody, do this, nothing too weird. This is not Comedy Shows Gamers channel. Oh man, is that a cave I see? That's a cave I see. Stop the lagging. Oh nope. That's my cousin. He's recording a video for his channel. I think it's Karen Polymore. He see how well I was doing and decided to take it too. It's a lot harder than it looks. Have to close. This is how you climb up hills like men. Come on, I need a cave. Is that a cave? Nope. Right, I spot one. So it's now looking for... Oh man, I placed on one. But screw it.